And I only had them sold for $185. I only was asking $185 for a size 14. This is all you do. Gotta pay for it, rank it up. What do you think?
Doing what I do, and I'm doing it.
Yo, we back with another video. Today we have another ship out video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So today we have these that need to get shipped out. I want y'all to guess what they are. Any guesses? It's the Air Jordan 11 Retro Cool Gray. Hold on, let me set this camera up and I'm gonna give y'all a little look at this. Okay, so first I gotta get the thumbnail. If y'all know anything about it, thumbnail is important. So I'll get a good thumbnail in here. Boom, you feel me? But anyways, these are the Cool Gray 11. Anytime I see these for sale, I always buy them because they're a quick seller. Alright, so let me show y'all. Like, oh my. Look at the bottoms. Bottoms in good condition too. These are size 14. I know you never see size 14, especially in this good of condition. Let me show y'all these other ones. Like, oh my God. And I only had them sold for $185. I only was asking $185 for a size 14. $185 ship. But anyway, let's go get these wrapped up in my little station, and I can show you how I do this. Out the way. Alright, so first I'm gonna plug this in. This is the sealer. This is important. Plug this in. Boom. Now actually thinking about it, I left a plastic wrap, so let me go get that. Alright, I showed y'all this many times. This is all you do. Gotta pay for it, rank it up. Okay. Now once you wrinkle it up, you're gonna put it over this. And then there's 4 cuts you have to make. So let me show y'all. Okay, so once you get it on, you're gonna make a cut here, and then here. Not a cut, a seal to make it like this. So you need a seal instead of a cut. So I'm gonna do this and show it to y'all. The cuts, you can left like this. Right. I'm gonna do the other shoe and then I'm gonna take them outside and show you how to get this right. Alright, so let me move this out the way. This is all up in the way. So this is the step right here, the biggest step of it all. And it's this. This is it. I use this for a lot of things. I'm telling you, gotta invest in one of these. But I'm gonna show you how you do it. So I'm gonna do it with low heat, so I don't make a hole in it. And then if it's not forming, I'll put more heat on it. But we gonna see how this goes. Still a little iffy. I don't be liking it. You just keep on going over it. It'll eventually form right. It just depends on how you want it to look. You see, now that looks good. Let's see if y'all can see it a little better. See? So now let's do this one. Now you see the big difference? Just off of nothing. I didn't do anything. All I did was use this. Boom, you feel me? Another one done. All right, now let's get this shipment started. Put these in the box. Yeah, you ain't gotta tell me. I know it's a Nike Air Force One box. You ain't gotta tell me. That's all we had. Nothing for this big of a shoe. This is the only box. Let's find a box to put this in. We just guessing on these, man. I don't know what's funny. Hey, first guess. Come on now. This is an eBay box. I wish I could show y'all because I did it the wrong way. This is supposed to go. That's clean. Here we go. Snug fit, but it will do. Let's get some bubble wrap. Let me get this bubble wrap in here. What you say?
Doing what I do when I do what I do, and I'm doing it.
Business cards now. It's a real important step. You always gotta get you a business card. I'm gonna put that in there. And now that is it for the video. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more like it, go ahead and follow the channel.